Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, January the 16th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the Jigsaw Sudoku and the Binary. Yes, it's a binary time. Binary time. This one will be number 7813. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16th. 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between the O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And between the O's comes between two O's comes an 1, and we have a double 1 here. So here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And now, well, time for comparing. 1, 2, 3. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So if the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Then, yeah. Yeah. Okay, 1001. Can I compare here? Yeah, we can compare this row and that row. Well, look, 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Okay, still having here 1 2 3. Of course I cannot place the 1 there. Here 1 2 3. Okay, we have here 3 O's, 3 1s here. Yeah. Well. This one I don't have to compare exactly, but anyway, 1. We have a 1 here, no. We have an O here, no. Well. Then we need to compare the columns. We have a double O here, no. Come on, double 1 here, no. Double O here, no. Well, are we stuck here? No. How about the ones? Let me check. What's happening? I'm on the rows here. 1 2 3. Okay. these three. No, this is not good. That one. No. Double check. No. No. I need to compare the columns, I believe. Double one. No double ones. Cannot compare this one. Overlooked. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Overlooked. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Here. 5 minutes. I cannot believe this. Overlooked. Well, and the first one you don't have to compare afterwards. Well, we solve it again, but overlook this double O. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.